Since we've been on our Google Sites portfolio, you're going to want to pull up your portfolio that you started in Digital Design 1, and we're just going to add to it. If you weren't that organized in your first level of digital design, maybe now's the time to go back in time and start becoming an organized young person, right? We all want to be nice and organized here. That's always a good life skill. So if we go over to our pages, hopefully last year you created a drop-down section for your projects from last year, but you might also want to go in and make a new section. So we're just going to go down to the Pages section, go up to New Menu section. We're in a brand new world, a brand new class. This class is called Processes of Digital Design. Nice. And then you can add a sub-page to that, right, called Portrait Photography. Wow. Very nice. On this portrait photography page, you're asked to document between 5 and 10 photos that you took in class. I like using these content blocks because it kind of gives you some pre-made templates. Right, if I know I'm going to do like 5 photos, I might do drop down 6 and then move these guys over to the center to kind of make them like so. And from here, right, I just got to drop in those details about my photos. If I go in here, oh, I don't even know where my photos are because I wasn't really prepared to do this, but somewhere I've got portraits. There they are. These haven't been edited, but I'll pretend they are for the sake of argument. Are these edited? Oh, there we go. So I'm going to drop in some photos, or I'm going to try. Drop in. Still processing images. Okay. Just taking a minute because I have such high quality images here. That's better. So I don't need to have that one, but then I can just click, remember, on that photo, click that uncropped photo button to see the whole picture. And then underneath each one of these, I need you to tell me, you might put the student's name. So let's put student. And then, right, I want you to tell me that lens, which is the EFS S18 to, what is it, 75, 85? Tell me again. 55. And that is F 3.5 to, what's the 5.6? IS2, and it had a 55 millimeter focal length. If I want it to look nice, maybe I'll shrink this down so it's all on one happy little line. That's too small. Let's try 8. Hey, nice. And then I'll do 8 again here. And now I need to record the 1/100th of a second at f 5.6, and that the ISO was 640. Now I have all of the relevant information about these photographs. Once I get all of my photographs uploaded, just as before, it would be good to drop in a text box where we talk about what the assignment was, right? So during this assignment, I was asked to capture portrait photographs of students in my class. For each photograph, I used the Canon Rebel T6 with the EF.S 18 to 55 IS2 lens. These we were also asked to use 3-point lighting. I learned how to take photographs using the aperture priority settings on the camera. I found it challenging. What was something you guys found challenging about this? To convince other teenagers to model, right? So you need to tell me what the project was, what you learned, what you found difficult, and then when you're done with everything, make sure you publish that site right? Go ahead, publish, and give me a link to that Google Sites page, and that's what you're going to turn in. So there you have it, a refresher on Google Sites.